Stop. 3. Okay, here we go.
You having fun?
Oh no! Go, Mama!
Wow! Rain, rain, go away. Come back another day. Come on, Stinky, let's go.
Don't get him.
Come here, baby. Come on. Come on. Come on, go give me a towel. McKenna.
McKenna, what are you doing?
Are you playing in the rain? Oh, goodness.
Oh my gracious. Are you having fun?
Hey, this is my first time in the rain.
You're getting soaked.
You want to go inside? You
More.
Want more rain.
More rain?
Are you getting anywhere? No.
No, baby, it's raining. It's raining. I know. I can't go outside today. Don't do that. Go watch 𝗪𝗂𝘁𝗵 today. No, we can't go outside. It's raining. The cows aren't outside either, because it's raining. You wanna go watch the cows on TV?
Oh my gosh! Is it raining? What are you doing? Don't get your head in there. There's another one even better. Ready? So it's pouring outside. Ready?
Are your piggies wet yet? Oh! I think so.
Is it raining? Is it raining? It's raining, huh?
What's so funny? अच्छा लग रहा है Oh
Simon, is it rainy? Do you hear the thunder? Ooh, it's rain. Go ahead.
What's wrong?
I've never seen him do that.
He's trying to kick it to make a splash.
Uh-oh, uh-oh, oh, oh.
Ajo, what is happening?
Mason! What's the matter? What happened? We're supposed to be going to your playgroup. Did you get stuck?
Oh no.
This is what's gonna keep Connor entertained for the camera. Connor, what's your impressions on this ride?
Is it raining? Come over here. See, hurry. Hurry, come here.
Oh, okay.
Daughter is telling the rain to go away.
Rain, rain, go away. Cassie wants to play today.
Asa. 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 What are you doing?
Sage, stay.